What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to take the bus from Ho Chi Minh to Vung Tau Beach. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So it's about 9 a.m. and we're out here, we're just waiting for the bus. And the ladies that run our hotel, they suggested this place and they told us everything. It only costs $6 each way to go to Vung Tau and back, which is another city on the water. So we're going there to go to the beach. It's about a 2-hour drive, and then here's what the bus station looks like. The buses, they seem to come every hour, which is pretty good. You can just, and you don't have to buy a ticket ahead of time. You show up to the place where we are now. You just pay right on the spot, like before you get on the bus. So now we're here, and the bus is going to take off in maybe 15-20 minutes. So we had only been driving for about a half an hour, and we're just like, looks like we're getting to be just coming out of Ho Chi Minh, and they pulled over and told us all to get off at this, looks like a big outdoor bus stop. And then there's some of the guys in uniform from the bus company, and they have bottles of water and a desk here. So I think they're gonna put us on a much larger bus, and they weren't able to bring that into the downtown. So I think they brought us over to here in a smaller vehicle, and we're probably waiting for a big giant bus to come get us, but they didn't explain anything. So this bigger one showed up, so it's just what we thought. Where you going? So we've stopped now for a break, bathroom break, and you can buy food or drinks or souvenirs and go to the washroom. Let's go over here and see what they have. It's usually stuff that I don't want to have. That looks good, spicy chicken. So that actually looked alright, going over, taking a closer look. It's a lot more appetizing than what you see at the rest stops in Cambodia. Time to get back on the bus and finish the trip to the beach. You can see the motorbikes have their own lane just after that median. There's a single lane just for all the scooters and motorbikes. Then they're not all over the road when the bigger vehicles are trying to drive. So we got off the bus and we decided we're just going to walk to the beach because it's less than 2 kilometers. When you walk, you can see more of the city and you notice things instead of taking a taxi, and you miss out on little things you would find or see in the adventure, like walking there. It's cool to see there's like mountains in the distance, like, or big hills. There's one up here too. And then we look around and there's no garbage laying around, or in Cambodia there's like piles of burning garbage frequently on the streets everywhere. Or just garbage in general. And here I haven't seen that at all ever. We can see the water. So that first beach we were at, we noticed there wasn't much sand. It was just like really beautiful boardwalk and walkway and nice views, but it was rocky and kind of stuff floating in the water. And so we just took a grab car taxi just like a 10-minute drive away to another beach. And so now we're checking this out here, and it looks a lot more promising. I see umbrellas and beach chairs and sand. There was no sand at the other one. Do you see sand and beach? Okay, good. Yeah, okay. The day's not ruined then. This is what we wanted. You dip my toes in the sand, in the water. You just sit there and they'll come up and serve you and then tell you it costs money probably. So we're unsure if these chairs here cost money, but there's no sign, but we just figure we'll probably sit at one of these umbrellas and chairs and then they'll come over and say something. Or it could be that if you're ordering drinks and food, then you can sit there. So we made it. That's the pictures I was seeing. Yeah, shit, we should have came here first. It's this big hills in the distance there. Sorry about the wind noise. I know I can feel wind, and so I know it's probably you can hear it. You don't even get a little whoop when you walk in. It's just warm. So we made it. So from Ho Chi Minh, you just take Futa Buslines, and it was 135,000 dong, which is something like $5.50, and it's got to be each way. So it's going to be $11 round trip, and you can come to paradise. It's only a 2-hour drive, basically 2 or 3 hours. We're gonna spend the afternoon here and get some food and drinks, and then probably catch the bus back at like 7 p.m. and which will get us there by 9 p.m. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom.